Hey guys, it's me Addie and my mama, and we are going to make a cake challenge. So this is my cake. I haven't started. My mom's already started without me. And yeah, we're just gonna be having a cake challenge. And then my dad's gonna try each other's because you know my dad always loved cake. Like, are you serious? Oh, here's my batter. My mom has the chocolate batter because she's making chocolate cake and I'm making vanilla cake. Yay!
Get a pan.
So I need to get a pan right now. A pan or a mixer? I got the spice. Where are the mixing bowls? So guys, I'm using this kind. My mom's using a Red Bull. So we're both gonna use this as the topping because we don't have any chocolate, frosting. Okay. There's a candle away. That's how you make it go off. Oh my gosh, I think they're all cracked. There's more. So guys, there's Oh, I forgot I took it out. Okay, so I need the scissors to open it. Guys, by using scissors, you're going to need a grown-up to help you. Da. So I want to throw this thing in the trash. Oh, look at that.
How much you need? What else you need?
I need 1 cup of
1 cup of water.
Yes, 1 cup of water. My hands smell weird. But that's okay because we're going to get messy anyways.
Okay, now what?
1 cup of vegetable oil.
1 cup or 1/3?
1/3. I'm sorry. I didn't need to have my spoon. Look at that, guys. I do not want to eat right now. And it's going to start cooking, and then we're going to see y'all next time when it's baked. Yay.
Now how many eggs?
Eggs, 3 large eggs. Oh, okay. We already put the vegetable oil. That was quick. Guys, I hate touching this, but my mama can't help me.
Just put it in.
I
Make
know.
sure you don't put shells in there.
I'm trying to make sure. Oh, this one's already cracked. Lucky me. Yeah, right now it's... But is it a shell? Ew, I got my hands dirty.
Clean it off.
I still have one
I
more.
got it.
I want to do it. Okay. Let me dry up. Let me dry up. Guys, now I'm mixed. So I'm going to be mixing my bowl. I'm so sorry. unless I get to eat it quick. Okay.
Let me get it mixed up a little and then you can finish it.
Mom, do not say that word. This is on YouTube. Okay, my turn.
And try to get all the lumps out.
Try to get all the lumps out. And then I'm gonna, okay, so y'all know me. I love cakes also. So I always have like tasty stuff. Like, okay, so I'm gonna be the taste tester. Jeez, my mom started without me and now she's like almost done. That's not fair. So yeah, we're gonna be using the strawberry jam. Have you seen? I wanna see if I can put on Nutella on mine. Oh, can I put some Nutella?
You got the summer to turn them around.
Why?
Grades, discipline, attention.
Just put the same as you. So me and my mom are sharing. I really want to put on Nutella, but you know, this girl over here.
Gross.
Can I try it, Mom?
Taste it and see if it's good.
I still need some more mixing. No, Mom, I'm eating that.
You're really okay.
It tastes really, really good. I know. I like putting it like this way. Guys, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go show y'all our new puppy. Right, Mom?
Don't bring him by the food though.
Not bringing her.
No one is getting out about it. The bad news is we're gonna have to do something. Wait, those are old back things.
No. Get him away.
Look at the camera. He loves chocolate. He loves cake.
Not chocolate.
I know. He's not allowed to have chocolate, but he always tries to eat cake and chocolate.
Yeah.
I was not picking my boogers right there. I was scratching my nose like right there. I did not.
I was gonna put this on Facebook.
You would? Why did you put... Ooh! My sister texted me. Hold on, guys. I was gonna reply. So, guys,
Try it. Good?
better than good. It's amazing.
Alright.
Guys, y'all know me. I always sit up there when I have a video, of course. I'm gonna sit up here. Now y'all can't see me. Don't spring. Don't try my baby. I want to know the taste. This is like really, really good. Okay, I have a spoon. Mother.
Alright, now you just put it.
Come on. Hold on, Mama. Let me wash some. Rocky, what you doing? Waterfalls, you're gonna eat it, huh? That's why you're doing there? Huh? You tired? Go to bed now.
still got a little while. We gotta save up money for it, right? Lick it.
I want to lick the ball. Oh, I want that. I want that. Mom! Give me one. Try to find me one. Find me one.
Okay. And move.
That was fun. So, guys.
Last day of summer school, we lived, we laughed, we learned. Some of us more than others. Yay, we did it! We had no fun all summer.
Actually,
You know, the next time you see me, I'll be working.
I really want to do this.
What?
I want a spinning wheel.
Hmm?
Can we make a spinning wheel? That's like, you know that spinning wheel that we went to Six Flags yesterday with? And we got to spin the wheel? Oh, you remember? Well, I want to make one of those because, you want to know why? Because we can make another cake. We can bake another cake. Do not even put any frosting on. Put frosting on it, but do not feed Daddy it, or tell Daddy to not even eat it. He can eat. And then we have to spin the wheel. Whatever you land on, like Lay's, you have to put Lay's on your cake. And then if you say macaroni, you have to put macaroni on your cake. If you say peanut butter and jelly jam, put that on your cake.
Lorenzo,
Rocky!
her brothers are still
Mama, Rocky just smiled at your feet. He looked at me. Yes, guys, I get to lick the ball! Rocky, I get to lick the ball!
worse. I know it doesn't feel like it, but in reality, we are big winners here, okay? This is the impression of someone who didn't have summer school.
Oh my God, summer! Yes! Let's go to the beach! Wow! Sand! Oh! Frozen banana! Cold! Let's go swimming! Ow!
Okay, guys, me and my mom are going to tell you make a funny.
All right, everyone, we are one oral report away from passing summer school.
One fun thing for y'all guys.
Yeah, they said it couldn't be done. But you did it. Not twice.
Sorry I'm late. I was watching that Lincoln documentary you told us to.
You was a real badass. No President Gilmore vampires like that guy. Not that documentary, but a very underrated film. The way he killed Dracula with an axe handle. Oh, very presidential.
You know, in the Lincoln movie I watched, he said, until every drop of blood drawn with the last from the very fire of a drawn with the sword. Second time that I said, from way down south, bang!
You know, I like to hear Lincoln and Bang.
Mama, me and you are going to give them like funny jokes because I really want to.
What y'all making?
Cake, we're having like a challenge and you're going to eat each of ours. See whose is better.
As this guy seems to show me his JBO for $40. That work like this. The big one.
So,
How much is it?
that is going to vote.
80? Oh shit. I'm gonna eat that up.
Scary. I forgot we had these. What's it right now? These right here.
Daddy, we're making a video, you know that.
It's okay. Damn, these shits are good.
She's sexy as hell.
Appropriate!
What?
That you just said.
What did I say that was wrong?
Shit.
Damn. Damn, this crap is good. That's good? Better?
No, what's that?
What else do you make? Vanilla and chocolate?
She make vanilla.
She made chocolate, but I'm licking her bowl. I think I like mine better. I think I like vanilla cake better now
Yeah.
instead of.
It's all good.
Hey, Dad. What? Mommy said you're allowed to drink her chocolate cake. Huh? Mom said you're allowed to lick the chocolate cake. Yay! Mama, we need merch. Merch.
Merch.
Yeah. You don't know what merch is? Oh. You don't know. You don't watch videos then on YouTube. Merch is like when you have like a picture on your merch, like a face of like a picture of you or like a symbol of your video, something like that, and you turn it into a jacket. Like you have a jacket and you put that kind of thing on there. That's what merch is. And I wanted to see if you could put a picture of my face on it. Because these are my videos.
When you're done with that, clean it.
I'm not done. I'm just putting it right here because
Well, I'd clean it before it dries up, or it's going to be hard getting it off.
I'm going to put this in. Okay, guys. I'm actually going to hide my brother's phone.
Say they're in the oven, and we'll get back to you when we get done.
There's the oven, so we're going to get back to you when we're done. But first, y'all want to watch me hide my brother's phone and then he'll freak out. That's what I really want to do right now. Hold on, guys. Y'all are just going to stay right here while I jump.
Now you clean it. When you're done, you clean it.
Okay. He's never gonna find it. He's never, ever gonna find it. It's gonna be in my baseball thing. In my baseball bag. So, let me hurry. We're already done. Okay, guys, we'll get back in a little bit when we're done cooking. Bye.